Are you looking for the best Hitch cargo carrier in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best Hitch cargo carrier 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Sides on the Hitch mount cargo carrier stand quite a bit higher than most other baskets on our list. These high 14.4-inch side rails prevent your cargo from falling out as you drive. You can mount this carrier onto any 2-inch trailer hitch opening. It supports up to 400 pounds, which is slightly below the standard 500-pound limit on most racks. There's plenty of room for camping gear, luggage, coolers and more. Built with heavy-duty steel, this carrier is finished with the same black powder coating found on many similar products. It's designed to protect against scratches and rust, although a few users report seeing rust spots. Safety reflectors make this product more visible to others at night. Once you've reached your destination, you can fold it up for storage. Number 4. The Maxhaul cargo carrier features a unique and useful ramp system that is normally used for wheelchairs and mobility scooters, but also helps load rolling items such as a lawnmower or small wagon. The ramp's rungs are close together, which facilitates loading gear with small wheels as well. Unlike others on our list, the Maxhaul is built from aluminum, which both prevents corrosion and reduces weight. It's still a tough carrier, however, and with a 500-pound capacity, you'll be able to load up plenty of gear. That said, the included ramp can become slippery when wet, the instructions can be confusing, and only the ramp folds, not the carrier. So weigh your decision carefully. Number 3. If you're looking for a sturdy rack that assembles quickly, consider the Ark SC Un folding cargo carrier. It's rated for 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Satisfied customers have successfully transported generators, coolers and cases on long trips using this hitch carrier. This luggage basket fits 2-inch receivers for better stability. A hitch tightener makes it even sturdier and reduces rattling. It has a mesh base that prevents smaller items from slipping out. The sides stand 6 inches high. You can purchase this carrier on its own or with a carrier bag. Although it's water resistant, this carrier isn't waterproof. The bag expands up to 27 inches to haul firewood, tools and other supplies. A powder-coated finish resists chips, scratches and abrasions. It is prone to rust, though, especially in coastal areas. When you arrive, a convenient pole pin design lets you easily fold the rack for storage. Number 2. The Vortex steel cargo carrier fits 2-inch receivers on most vehicles, including trucks, SUVs and cars. It arrives in 2 pieces for easy assembly and offers attachments for a license plate. This luggage basket can even be upgraded with an LED light kit, which makes it our top choice for safely transporting your belongings. Built with heavy-duty steel, this roller carrier supports up to 600 pounds. Although it doesn't fold, a 2-inch shank rise elevates this platform for stress-free transport. It fits most Class II and IV receivers. An anti-wobble pin is included. The side rails stand around 5 inches high and have convenient tie-down points. Once your bags are in place, secure them with your choice of tie-downs. There's plenty of room on the 55-inch long platform for luggage, camping gear and even food delivery boxes. Mesh material keeps smaller items safe and allows dirt and debris to drain through. It's not entirely waterproof, but the steel has a powder coat for longevity. Number 1. Compact but rugged basket hitch cargo carrier offers superior flexibility and a weight rating of up to 500 pounds. It features 6-inch high sidewalls that help hold cargo in place while in motion, and the open sides open up more fastening points to secure large items. The carrier also has a folding shank that allows the rack to be folded up when not in use, and it features integrated safety reflectors on the frame for better visibility to the people around your vehicle. This cargo hitch is built from tubular steel to promote durability and keep it lightweight, and black powder coating helps prevent rust and keeps the cargo carrier looking great for the long haul. Installation can be complicated, however, and some hitches need some adjustments. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.